Welcome. Recently, there are many news in Tata Motors share, like Tata TVR news getting split, and also demerger news and all. So, after demerger, what will happen? We can see in detail. After demerger, it will become Tata Motors commercial vehicle and then Tata Motors passenger vehicle. Okay, we will see the news recently. These new news items, TVR share conversion, record date and all. That we will see in the next. Tata Motors board approval the proposal for demerger into two listed company. That is, it will become two companies, Tata Motors. Introduction to my channel. I am Ganesh Babu, civil engineer from Chennai. Welcome to my investor options zone. This is the contact number and details. What is Tata Motors demerger? Let's see. We can see this is from their website only. The board of directors Tata Motors, they have proposed to demerger of Tata Motors into two separate listed companies. One will be commercial vehicles, completely it will be of commercial vehicles, and another one will be of passenger vehicles. That passenger vehicles includes PV. PV means passenger vehicle, EV means electric vehicle, JLR like that. Those are all JLR luxury that we will see in detail. So it may happen in the next month. So now we are how much will you get? How many shares will you get for one number of Tata Motors share that they have clearly mentioned? For one Tata Motor share that we will explain here. You can see one share of Tata Motor will give you one commercial vehicle share. That is commercial vehicle share one number and plus one passenger vehicle share. So total out of one you will get two. So that if one Tata Motor share equal to two shares, it will be double after demerger. I mean one share will become double. Okay, next we will explain what is the commercial vehicle means. See, many people don't know what is commercial vehicle means, whether what under will come, what kind of and what type of vehicles will come under commercial vehicle, Tata commercial vehicle, Tata Motors after demerger. So that we will explain now. See, the aim of this channel is you sometimes as a retail investor you buy some share and it will fall immediately 10-20%. Sometimes you will sell a share and immediately it will go up 20 and 30%. See, most of us, even I also face like this. You know why? Why? Can you think? Just think for some time. It is mainly because of supply and demand zones. SMC concept. Okay, now we will see commercial vehicle. What is commercial vehicle? That we will see segment. Commercial vehicle is mostly used for commercial purposes. That you can see this is small trucks. It is many trucks for transporting small items, vegetables, food items, and even shifting houses like that. Small, even you may know in Tamil also they will say Kutti Yanai, Tata is small elephant like that they will tell. Small trucks. It is coming under commercial vehicle. Another thing is trucks, big trucks, tipper, lorry and all, which will transport very cement, steel, even building materials like and also many other big materials it will transport. It is coming under trucks. So commercial vehicle. And also buses and vans. You might be seeing transporting buses all over and vans, school vans and school buses also comes under this. Even public transport buses and vans also comes. So now you will be understanding commercial vehicle. This is from the Tata Motors website I have taken. Hope you understood. If you any doubt, please comment. Please like, share this video and subscribe so that you will get many benefits. You will come to know when you can make an entry and exit of a share. So now we will come to know what is PV, passenger vehicle segment. It is very important for you to know these things because after demerger it will become separate entity. So maybe see passenger vehicle means I will tell why it is very important. Passenger vehicle as well as commercial vehicle after some slide. See supply and demand. It's based on purely supply and demand concept. Whatever technicals I am doing, no indicators, no noises. Share price will be less affected by the news. It is having a 94% success rate in all markets, not only share market, gold market, commodity market, crypto, like that. So you can main thing you can pre-plan the trade and investments in advance. In advance you can say if you want more details you can see my playlist supply and demand concept in the playlist. It will be very useful for you. Don't miss. See the benefits are entry exit points you will know in advance. 1 day, 2 days, 1 month, 1 year before also you can identify. So you can be safely positioned. Keep your money ready at that time. Reduce brokerage. Unnecessary entry and exit will get affected. You will be easily identified. More time you can spend to your family because you will not you'll be just waiting. You know already when and where to enter, when and where to exit. So you don't want to time the market each and every time. Suddenly 3% it went up, so immediately you go and buy, then it will fall like that. Okay. In addition to options trading will get eliminated and no indicators required, so no confusion. So revenge trading will get eliminated. You sometimes you will buy, it will go down, again you will buy, again it will go down like that. You will keep on averaging. Those things we can easily avoid. So please see my playlist video, understand, and you will become a fan of supply and demand like me. Even my number of trades also come down, profit also increase. So number of trades will get reduced automatically, broker save. So it will be best for swing trading. Now we can know passenger vehicle. It is purely cars only, cars which we all use like this. Curve and Tiago, like that, some cars. It is used for passengers like people. Electric vehicles, that is also very very important division. Electric, purely based on electric. These are all will run on diesel or petrol. This is electric vehicle comes under the passenger vehicle. Now we will come to know the importance, I believe. So, and luxury vehicles. Luxury vehicles, it is abroad, they are having in London, I believe, England. So not only in China also they are having. It is Jaguar, Land Rover. These are all foreign cars. It will be under passenger vehicle division. So I told you why it is very important. Means, see, sometimes if the economic activity is increased, infrastructure boom is there, then commercial vehicle will be going up. I mean commercial vehicle. After demerger, commercial vehicle, Tata Motors commercial vehicle will boom. So like that, you have to be very very identify separately. Disclaimer: I am not a SEBI share market consultant. Purely based for educational purpose video only. So it is not a recommendation to buy and sell. Please go through this and accordingly plan. See, Tata Motors share now, as per technically we will discuss now whether it is we can make an entry or exit. Before that, very very important tip: you can save minimum 1000 rupees. That is per month you can save even more also. For some people it will be more also. Just go through this. It is very easy. Everybody will have a tulsi herb in your house. Just boil and after making it to room temperature, give it. Please, definitely by doing this, whatever I have done, this is my personal experience. So definitely you can save. Not only save, your kids will health will become good. Your hyperactive children will become normal. So please do this. Mainly fathers, working couples have to do this so that they don't want to take leave to take their children to hospitals. See, now the share is at 1086 rupees as on date. See, after demerger, what it will become, as I told, commercial vehicle separate, passenger vehicle separate. Maybe after, but it will take next year only, I believe. They have not announced the exact date. So after it is getting separately listed as two shares, 1086, maybe you can just keep, for example, for 500. So that 500 may become 1000. So almost double the amount it may become. So that is the beauty of this, provided they achieve good results and all. So also another thing, now we can see the technicals. Before that, next video we can see the Tata Motors DVR share, how much Tata Motors share you will get. You will also get a profit there, arbitrage profit there. Don't miss. In next video I will put. Now we will see the Tata Motors technical. See, if you see, actually 1 year the chart is very good. It is going up, little bit sideways. Again it is going up. 6 months there was some sideways movement. Then now it has gone up. 3 months it is in a upward trend only. So it is overall it is upward trend only. 1 month there is a downside from 1150 level, like that it has come down. So now it is sideways. We will see the exact when we can make an entry and exit. If you see, it is just below the supply zone 1 zone, and if you see it as just downward 1 day trend line, you can see red color just touching, it is roaming around that trend line. It is unable to break that trend line. So if it is going above the supply zone 1 with good volume and strong candle, then there's a gap here at 1136, it may get filled. Then above there is a supply zone 2 at 1165. Above there is a all-time high. If it goes above the supply zone 2 with good strong volume and strong candle, then all-time high will achieve. Above all-time high, the target will be 1203. So we have to wait for that. Let us see what will happen. First it has to cross the supply zone 1 with good volumes and strong candle. Actually there's a reversal line, you can see here 1075. It should not break down below this reversal line. This will be very very critical. Below there is a heavy demand zone at 1065. So, and again there is a upward trend line at 1 day upward trend line at 1036. So you may get some support there also. Below there is a strong demand zone. In between there is a heavy demand zone also. If there is, if it is coming below the reversal line and taking support at least for 1 or 2 days at heavy demand zone, you can consider there. If it breaks down, and then it may come to this trend line and the strong demand zone. You have to make entry only when there is a very near to the demand zones only. Let it be heavy demand zone or strong demand zone, or you have to make entry only above the supply zone 1, and at least for 1 day it is sustaining there. So that in that way you will not get caught in between the here and there. Say if around supply chain 1 you enter, sometimes what will happen, it will again come down to your selling. So now also if you buy 1086, it may come down to 1073 also. Again it may break down, again it may come. So it will be very painful for you to average, where to average. Mainly even if you want to average, you have to average at heavy demand zones and supply and heavy strong demand zones only. That will be good for you. So for me, if you see the volume, as per my prediction, if you see when the price is coming down, volume is also coming down. When the price goes up, then the volume also goes up. So I believe if it crosses above the supply zone 1 and sustains there for at least for 4 hours with good volume and good strong candle, then you may consider entry. Otherwise you have to wait. Okay, now this is end of the presentation, but in next video we can see the Tata Motors DVR. Hope you like this video. If any doubt, please comment, and also like, share and subscribe. Supply demand concept is very powerful. Please go through all my videos, you will come to know. Thank you.